Yo, what's up YouTube? This is your boy Kobus, the realest OG, inspired by the ghost of the most ICT. Alright, so what am I looking at now? I'm looking at silver. Okay, I see that on silver this week we have been bearish. Alright, so what's happening now on silver? On silver, I see that we have taken this swing low here. This is a weekly low. Okay, while we were tapping this weekly imbalance, okay, in discount. Okay, and then let's go to 4 hour. 4 hour, I see that we are currently trading inside this order block. Okay, but we are not sure of what the market is doing. Let's see next candle. If this candle closes above this gap, then that might be also a sign that we're going up, or we're just going to wait and see how the market reacts here. Okay, we try to follow the algorithm. We are trading in sync with the algorithm. When I go to 1 hour, I see that this plays down and then we displaced up again, breaking structure or sweeping liquidity. Okay, but the way I see is we had an SMT divergence here on silver with gold. I'll just pull up to gold now. You'll see what gold did. Silver was making lower lows while gold was failing to make lower lows. Okay, and then now we just broke structure. Let's see how the market behaves here. If the market comes to this zone and then show signs of rejection, I know that maybe we are coming for this buy side and this, and definitely this imbalance above the liquidity. Okay, let's go to gold. Gold has been very bullish if you check it. Okay, with gold, when silver was making a lower low, gold was failing to make a lower low. Instead, it was making higher lows. I see that we disrespected this hourly imbalance. Okay, I see that we disrespected this hourly imbalance, and now we are pushing up. So that's another. I see that the market is disrespecting bearish arrays and it's creating bullish arrays. We're going to observe how the market closes inside this gap. Okay, I think it may come during London, or during New York, because right now London is about to go to an end. So we want to see how the market comes and reacts inside this gap. At the same time, when silver is also entering its gap there on the 1 hour. Okay, so the SMT divergence already is hinting that there might be a reversal. Okay, and now we are disrespecting bearish arrays. Okay, that's another hint that we may be bullish now, and plus I'm expecting bearish prices on DXY. Okay, so let's pull up to DXY. This is DXY. We traded into this gap. So far we haven't closed, but we seem to be rejecting this. It may come to this zone and then come and then start rejecting. We will see how DXY behaves. I also see some sell side liquidity here. Okay, these two lows are relatively equal, so the market may, I feel like, you see this huge drop breaking structure to the downside. this may be a hint that right now we are just retracing, and then we're going to retracing into premium to balance imbalances. So from there we may displace down. If all these things they synchronize, if I see the XY coming in this zone and then rejecting, at the same time I see silver and gold visiting those areas and then rejecting, and then showing me signatures of reversal on a smaller time frame, I know that maybe we are ready to go down with the XY and up with gold. Again, since I'm expecting bearish prices on silver on the XY, I'm expecting bullish prices on this one, on EURUSD and GBPUSD. So on EURUSD I see that we broke structure here, and then there are relatively equal highs here. So there is buy side liquidity resting above this zone. Okay, this is a market maker buy model, consolidated, manipulated down. Now we are taking that consolidation up, so buy side. So here, what am I waiting for? I want to see the market. Ideally, I'm not sure if it's gonna do this, but I would like to see the market come into this zone and then show signs of reversal. I want to see the market, the previous candle closing in the current candle closing inside the previous candle's range. Then I will know that okay. And then when I go to small time frame, I see market structure shift. Because if you check this is on a smaller time frame, it's a downtrend. Okay, so if I see market structure shift after entering this gap, I know that we are ready to displace up or to attack the buy side. The market may not necessarily come here. Okay, if you check, this is the last up close candle before we broke structure. So the market may come to this medication block, may come and touch this medication block, but I want to see whatever I'm talking about happening in discount. Discount is denoted by this green area here. Okay, so this is what I'm waiting for. On currently I see that we're in a downtrend on EURUSD. Just gonna wait until New York and see what happens. Okay, same with the XY, I mean GBPUSD is very bullish. Okay, let me check something. GBPUSD, you can see, doesn't want to move. It's being held. Yeah, it's still in premium, but I'm seeing a gap here just above the break of structure and the equilibrium, below equilibrium. I would like to see the market drop into that zone and then rejecting. I take this one as a breakaway gap. I don't want to see the market coming here. I'm not saying it's not gonna come here. I would like to not see it not come here because of this order block here. Okay, it's not visible, but yeah, it's called the order block or a propulsion block, somewhere there. But if you go to a small time frame, that's where you will see that we have a red candle there. You see this may hold price above. It's in confluence with, it's just below discount and above the gap, so the market may come in and bounce off from that, or it may come as low as here and then start showing signs of reversal. So right now we're just going to wait and see how the market behaves. I'm signing out.